Imagine the final days of your life. Who would be with you? What care would you receive or not receive? Who would you turn to for help? It can be hard to know where to start when planning for end-of-life decisions. That's why we've developed a free, simple, and practical kit to guide you through the process of advanced care planning. By doing it now, you'll ease the future burden of decisions by those who love and care for you. First, consider your values, beliefs, and preferences for future healthcare. This will ensure that your future care aligns with what's important to you. Second, decide who you would like as your substitute decision maker if you're no longer able to make decisions for yourself. This should be someone who knows you well, who will respect your beliefs or values, and whom you trust to carry out your wishes. Next, document all of this and review it regularly to make sure it still accurately reflects your wishes. Advanced care planning is at the heart of being an empowered patient or caregiver. It's important for all adults at all ages and stages of life. The best time to think about your options for end-of-life care is when you're well and able. Visit dyingwithdignity.ca to download your advanced care planning kit.